Madam Speaker, we also know that athletic activity is critical to the development of our young people and to maintain the good health of our adults. Therefore, we have, Madam Speaker, increased the allocation for the Ministry of Youth and Sports by $6.7 million, which includes the ongoing construction of integrated sporting complexes around Fiji. Madam Speaker, Fiji is known and respected in international sports, especially since our gold medal win in the Rio Olympics. And I would actually add too, especially our win over Scotland last weekend. We want to build on our successes and make sure that the name Fiji is truly associated with quality sports around the world, as a venue and as a participant. To that end, Madam Speaker, the National Sports Commission, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, will receive $9 million for 3 major programs. First, we will continue to fund the engagement of international coaches to improve our competitiveness. We will also help our national teams participate in 38 international competitions, including the 2017 Rugby League World Cup, the 2018 Commonwealth Games, and the Pacific Mini Games in Papua New Guinea. And we will also host international tournaments in Fiji, including the Oceania Men's and Women's Sevens Tournament, 2017 World Cadet Table Tennis Challenge, the Junior Pan-Pacific Games in swimming, and the Fijian Rugby 15 Team international matches, Madam Speaker.